Good afternoon, good evening, good morning, and good night. I hope that everybody had a wonderful weekend. I am coming on again this morning to talk a little bit more about Bill 2 in Quebec. You might hear me talking about it a little bit, but it's important to know that the medical professionals in Quebec are disgusted by this law. And yesterday at the Bell Centre, there were over 12,000 doctors, all of whom were there protesting this bill. For those of you who think that it will not affect you, it's important to know that part of this bill puts a time limit on how long you're all able to speak with a doctor. So imagine you go in for a serious issue and you're on a time limit. How do you know to prepare? How do you know what questions to ask? Do you have everything ready to go? The Health Alliance helps with all of these issues and so many more that are coming up with Bill 2. There were so many medical professionals that spoke. Again, I would share the Gazette article with you, but because Quebec doesn't allow us to share any news articles, I am reading this. They say that the law is great for doctors, but even the doctors of their own party are leaving. So I think that's sort of a great indication of how terrible this health initiative is. The CAQ government says the reforms are needed to give 1.5 million Quebecers lacking a family doctor access to care. Physicians argue the reforms are ill-founded and will impede doctors' ability to offer care, and it's a hidden attempt to cut costs. So imagine if doctors are actually going to be given bonuses based on how many patients they see. How do you think they're able to actually properly diagnose somebody and meet the needs of their patients? I think it's really important to know that this huge event that took place yesterday at the Bell Centre was organized by the Fédération médicale étudiante du Québec and the Fédération des médecins omnipraticiens du Québec. They brought together the province's 4 medical federations. That's the first time that has ever happened. Think about how disastrous this bill is, that everybody from all walks of life within Quebec is in agreement. They brought together the province's 4 medical federations, and that's the first time this has happened. The rally is meant to show their dismay with the new law and also bring people together, because we know there is a lot of distress among all the members of the federation. They also want to demonstrate that Bill 2 is useless and counterproductive. They're asking for more resources in the health system so that patients can be served. That is not addressed in Bill 2. To sum it all up, to say that this bill is unethical is an understatement. Empower Health Alliance is here. That is who we are. We are a group of medical professionals, holistic professionals, and a range of services, support, and resources. We are there to help you within the system. We have connections with lots of people so that you don't have to wait. And we want to make sure that Bill 2 is not affecting you if you are dealing with a chronic illness, with cancer. We are there to help you maximize your time at the doctor's offices. We are there to help you get second opinions, find nurses. If you don't want to go to the hospital, we can help you get nurses to your homes. We are there to make healthcare easier. It is not acceptable that while you're dealing with an illness, you have to fight the system. Reach out to us today, healthalliance@empowering.ca, and we will help you navigate.